Hey guys, NielVTEC here, and today it's a sad day. It's so sad that it started raining. Um, when we began this project, I always thought to myself, when is it gonna end, or what's gonna be the last mod I'm gonna put in this car, or whatever. But today, someone decided that for me when they ran me over in the highway. So yeah, come on, I'll show you first. So yeah, as you guys can see, in a couple of days, there's gonna be an evaluator from my insurance company who's gonna check out the car, see if it's repairable or how much they're gonna give me for it. But honestly, realistically, I should say, they're not gonna repair this car. It's definitely gonna be more money to repair it than just to give me the money, the check. So yeah, I'm pretty bummed about it. The car still runs good. Maybe I'm being biased, but yeah, honestly, the only thing that's kind of like hanging on is this side here on the tire. You can see here, like, the whole fucking mag is it's been hit. So yeah, what happened, a lot of you guys are gonna ask what happened. It was not my fault, okay, just straight up. I can be biased, but this time I was driving as an NPC this morning to my work. I was early, so why would I drive fast? I'm in my lane, and all of a sudden, all here, I thought I was getting shot. Then I remember I'm in Canada. So yeah, look at my left, there was an 18-wheeler Canadian Tire. Shout out, sponsor me for trying to kill me. Yeah, the car was trying to like go under the trailer. So good thing I have fast reaction. I was able to like correct it. I was able to survive. You know what? I'm gonna call it an attempted assassination. That sounds cooler than an accident, right? So yeah, I'm pretty bummed about it. Just because this car was well taken care of. Never been used in the winter. That's a lie. Never been used in the winter by me. Always in the garage, like a baby. Yeah, realistically, I already know the insurance company is gonna deem it as a total loss just because where it's hit. Maybe they'll surprise me, but yeah, so basically this is probably the last video on the Honda Civic. In the second part of this video, maybe I'll update you guys on what they say. But yeah, pretty bummed about it, especially that it's not my fault. If it's my fault, I'll be happier just because I know it's my fault. Golly. So yeah, this could be a good lesson. Even though you're the best driver out there, you do everything perfectly, there's always gonna be something that's gonna be out of your control that sadly is just gonna ruin your plan. Honestly, I was pretty satisfied on what we did with this car, and I was able to drive it for years, being able to, like, with all the work we did on it, with all the videos that was done on the car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's sad, but yeah, I guess on to the new projects. It's perfect timing. I feel like God's playing me here. Like, it's raining. Like, you can't make this up. So yeah, today's the last day I'm gonna see this car. Tomorrow the tow truck's gonna come get it, but I won't be here. Yeah, as I expected, I had 0% liability or responsibility on the accident, so insurance is not gonna go up at least. But still, all the hard work that we put on the car, all the investment, we still ended up taking all of them out, so like we still can get money back from buying them. But still, it sucks that something like this happens and we didn't have any control over it. And yeah, so this is basically goodbye. I enjoyed my project on this car, and I was really happy throughout the whole journey. And yeah, I guess it's just on to the next project, and hopefully it's gonna be as fun as this. But this was our first project in the whole channel, and I was really happy with it. Pretty sad. I guess you can see I'm dressed up for the funeral. And yeah, you wanna say goodbye to the car? Okay.